Hey, what is up guys, I'm Naveen back with a video. In this video we'll take a look at the review of the brand new iPhone 7 clone. Enjoy.
Audio Jungle.
So the first thing you can see, there is a lack of a headphone jack, and for some people it's a very bad news. Personally, I'm a Bluetooth headphone guy, so there is no problem for me at all. And if you compare it to the iPhone 6s, you can see it has a very big camera hump. However, you guys can see iPhone 7 looks pretty close to the iPhone 6s. There is not so much of difference in between that. iPhone 7 will probably keep the 12 megapixel resolution camera. iPhone 7 is slightly thinner than the iPhone 6s actually. It is just 6.7 millimeters thicker. If you want, you can probably use the Lightning headphones. With iPhone 7, Apple is cleaning it up the antenna lines. You guys know or not, but iPhone 7 will come in 32, 64 and 128GB model. So as you guys can see, we've got a second speaker in place of the headphone jack. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more information. And everything I talked about is in the description, so check it out. I think iPhone 7 is a very nice product. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys later in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching this video.